Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can transfer our GoDaddy domain account or domain name to another person or another account or another GoDaddy account. So for that you need to open up your GoDaddy account, and after that just go to your domain section, and in your domain section you will be able to find this option of domain settings, and after just clicking on it, just scroll down and you will be able to find this option of transfer your GoDaddy domain to another GoDaddy account or transfer from GoDaddy account to your hostinger or any other website or any other hosting platform. And this is how you do it. Suppose you are transferring your GoDaddy domain to hostinger, then you can just simply click on transfer from GoDaddy account to away and just click on it, and you will get a code. Just use that information, and after that open up your hostinger account, and in your hostinger account go to domain section, and there you will find transfer option. Just click on it and type in your hosting name and just paste it and transfer it. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.